team sport. As our original story and the ensuing update suggests, coming off the top of the other is an athlete's career. Casey Garrett Thomas is actually heading to work on very different kind of stuff.
We have to get him back, Kenny, for the YouTube video. He's not snoring though.
And only really tough guys are allowed to play. Which brings us to Garrett Thomas.
What do they do tonight?
A gentle soul, he uses his head. He's one of the top scorers in the entire history of rugby. And holds the all-time scoring record in his native Wales. Along with the unofficial world record for breaking bones and feet, including his own. Beyond all the records he holds, beyond the fact that he's one of the toughest athletes ever to set foot on the playing field, Garrett Thomas has one more distinction that sets him apart from every other man in the world of team sport. A distinction that until recently was a closely held secret.
I know. We have to get him back for trying to put you on YouTube.
Well, hello.
Hey, I'm videotaping my daddy snoring.